So far we have manually write code for the first model class, the user.java class. As you see here, we have the first model class. For the rest tables in the database, we will have to create 6 corresponding model classes. As you can see, these are the tables in the database, and so far we have created only one Java model class to map to the user table, and for the rest table we need to create corresponding Java class as well. This would be a repetitive and time-consuming task, so we will use Hibernate Reverse Engineering. We will use Hibernate Reverse Engineering tool feature to generate code for the remaining model classes.